Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio for Unity. So let's get started. Open up your internet browser and search Visual Studio download. Now when you have done that, you should be here. So scroll down here and we're specifically looking for this one, Visual Studio 2022. So as you can see, we have three options. Professional and Enterprise are paid. They have a free trial, of course, you can try them if you want, but today we are focusing on community. So what you want to do is click on free download and then you wait a few seconds for it to pop up. After it has done that, choose a location you want to download it to, but I have already done that, so I'm not going to do that again. After you have done that, you want to go where you have downloaded it and run it. Let it do its thing, it will really just install it and everything. And after that, a window like this will pop up and it will tell you to install Visual Studio. And it's really pretty simple. I think it might ask you if you want light or dark theme, and it will ask you a few more things, but they're really just some random things that, well, you decide if you want them or not. It's really not that important. But yeah, after you have done that, it will ask you to install, and now, well, you're here. So let's just wait for it to install and then we'll run it, and that should be it. Alright guys, so I have successfully updated my Visual Studio. As you can see, it says it's done installing and that I should probably reboot so that it cleans up any remaining files. I don't think this will be the same for you, because I have only updated my Visual Studio while you're actually installing a whole new Visual Studio. So for you, it'll probably be more like when you run it, it will first ask what theme you want in this, like, you know, light, dark, and it will ask you a few more things, and they're really not that important. It's more like if you prefer it or not. But yeah, now we can launch it. And as you can see, it's starting itself up. So now we only need to wait and see if our Microsoft Visual Studio works. So let's wait and see. Alright guys, so as you can see, it has successfully installed itself for me. I already have a few projects, but you should have this empty. And to create a new project, well, we just press here and we select what language we are going to use. For Unity, you're going to use C#. And now well, I'm going to explain more in another video on all of this, but yeah, for now that's pretty much it what you need to know about Visual Studio. Just letting you know, you'll not really be using it like this, so when you start your Unity project, you will not need to, well, open Visual Studio like this, but I'll explain and show it to you in another video. So anyhow guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe. And if you have any questions or recommendations on what videos about Unity or Visual Studio I should do, type down below in the comment section. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.